How to log food using the Awaken180 app. How to log Awaken180 products. First, navigate to the home page in your app. Tap on the Log Food button. Tap on the plus icon on the rightmost side of each meal type. Example, breakfast. Select the time you had your meal by sliding the numbers up or down, and then tap the Confirm button below. Please be mindful of the AM, PM option. You will then be routed to Select Meal page. By default, Awaken180 Products button is highlighted. You can scroll down to find the products you wish to log, or directly type into the search bar at the top to locate the Awaken180 food you're taking. Once the selected food is displayed, make sure to place a check mark in the checkbox by tapping on it. Lastly, tap the Add to Log button below. If you have questions and inquiry about this topic, contact us at 413-307-3758 or email us at support@awaken180weightloss.com. Thank you.